Hello everyone, thank you for tuning to our channel, W.D.T High Performance. Today, this time my dad went ahead and started putting the JB Weld stuff onto here. And he has it mixed up. Mix it up, to put it on here. It comes as two tubes right there. You gotta mix them together, so that's what he did. And it gets hard right away. So after we get the JB Weld all the way done on the side of here, we're gonna fiberglass it, you said?
Then we'll start fiberglassing. This is just to see how she's going to fit.
Okay. Again, this is a Vicrez widebody demon kit. It's the side flares, and we made this for the going to the Challenger. Using the adhesive caulk stuff does not work. Don't even waste your money on that. Just try to make something like this. But yeah, I want to see how this turns out. Hopefully this turns out nice. Yeah, so if you remember in one of the videos, we get this all scuffed up inside for this stuff to stick down on there. The Vicrez wide body demon kit, it's a good body kit. You can go by doing the adhesive. Some people might have good luck with it, but out in the sun, in the heat, it starts melting. So yeah, but I do recommend people get the Vicrez wide body demon kit. I will post a link down below where you can get the wide body demon kit. It fits from 2008 Dodge Challenger all the way up to 2014. I'm gonna do some on this side right here. So Dad, you got any tips on here for people?
Make sure it's clean.
Yeah, make sure it's clean. Yeah, this grill tape does work very well. You doing a really good job. Very good job, Dad.
No, we just let her get hardened.
Okay. Then after it gets hard, what's the next step you want to do?
I want to test fit it.
Okay, so let's set 24 hours? Or how long you set it for?
It takes about 12 hours for this to harden.
Fully harden?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll go from there. Okay, this is the next day. And it's already fully dried. We got to put it on the challenger and go from there. But again, we're going to put fiberglass down. We're also going to fill it in. Maybe some of that spray foam. That's why we got the holes here. But yeah. This is my son Nathan. Say hi, Nathan. Say hi. Alrighty then, let's go see if we can line it up.
Pull that side out.
So we gotta trim this up a bit more here. Maybe a little bit up more on this one right here.
This one looks okay. This has to be trimmed this way, this way.
Okay. So let's go from there.
And we gotta go up on this one.
Go up where?
Right here, a little bit.
Okay. So we'll go from there. Okay, we're getting this almost fitted up. I gotta do a little bit more trimming. Yeah, a little bit more trimming. Alright, so we made the slots a little bit bigger and we're using flat washers to hold it down in place. And right now, looks like it's holding pretty well on this side here. So we haven't done it over here just yet, so we will. And excuse me, my neighbor is using his weed whacker.
Look at that.
Oh, nice. You can tighten. So right now I'm doing the back here. Okay. We gotta clean this off right here. this here. This is something we should have done this from the start when we first started this project.
Yep. But we didn't think of it.
No, and yeah, I should never listen to those other guys. They use that caulking stuff right there. Yeah, that doesn't work when in the hot sun, especially high humidity we have here in Michigan. It melted it.
What I gotta do now, I'm just gonna leave it on.
Yeah, but we will have to take it off and fiberglass it.
Yeah.
And fill it in with that foam stuff.
What I gotta do is try to get this ratchet up there.
So right now we're kind of tight here, but we're still working on this side here still. And I gotta sand this down right here.
Yep, that's why I want. Well, I have to tighten it so I can mark where I gotta cut the bolts.
And a little bit I'm gonna have to wash the chowder. So after we get everything all done, it's gonna be, we're gonna get it undercoated. Alright then, we did some modifications and I washed it. I washed my Dodge Challenger today. Again, we're still working on this part here, but it's actually all done. We just gotta tighten it down. Looks so much better now. And I got to sand this down a little bit right here. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. So I got to sand this down, would be more flush. So let's see in here, those screws, we're going to be cutting them down to size. So we are going to cut them down. It's hard to do this with the cell phone in my hands. I got a new camera coming in for doing the engine build. So just do a quick walk around. So yeah, we're going to be working on this one next. After that, we're going to be working on the little bracket for it too, for the side flares. And so in a way, we will be taking this off again, the side flare. And that's my son Nathan over there. Hi Nathan. So yeah, we'll be taking the side flare off. Then we're going to be, doing the fiberglass and inside, everything else from there. Something we should have done a long time ago when we first started the Vicrez widebody demon kit. We should have done this from the start. But again, I should not listen to other people what they did. Theirs was the caulking they use for body. Here in Michigan, the sun is terrible. It just melted it and just came right on off. So if you're first time going to do this, don't do it that way. Do what I'm doing, how me and my dad are doing this. Vicrez, they're a great company. I would recommend anybody to buy a body kit from them, and you have to do some modifications. But other than that, it's a great body kit. But Chris, if you're seeing this video, thank you for making an awesome product. Just hoping the next time you guys do make these side flares for the people, make what my dad is making for this. Like, do something like that. But other than that, I appreciate you all for watching this video. And by the way, I'm gonna show you guys something. There will be a video coming up soon for the engine. We got the water pump taken off. There's a reason for that. And yeah. So yeah, let's go back to the Challenger. There's Nathan in his Dodge Viper. So anyway, everyone, thank you for watching our YouTube channel, W.D.T High Performance. Please go to our group on Facebook, look at Dodge Toys. We'd love to have you. And yeah, we'd love to have you. And please subscribe and hit like. You all take care, stay safe out there, and God bless. Love you all. Peace.